Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hello everybody, we're going to be celebrating my daughter's 13th birthday in a few moments. Okay, so we got the house ready and I'm hungry. I'll be doing pastelón de espinaca. I don't know how you say that in English. Spinach pastelón. But it tastes good. Yes, it tastes good. So I'll catch you later. See, we're preparing the meat. I got my strong daughter squashing it. ¿Verdad? Así se dice. No? How you say it? You're squashing the meat. And here we have the spinach. This is what give this pastelón a special taste.
I think it's the plátano maduro.
Do you think it's the ¿cómo se dice eso en inglés?
I don't know, so yo sé que también se dice
Plantain. And I will be putting some onion and garlic and other stuffs. But it tastes good. I can assure that it tastes very good. So here we have our plátano maduro. You can put as many of you as you want. So I'm gonna put it all together into the meat. Everything goes into the meat. Okay. Cori, ábreme el pedazo de espinaca. The garlic and the onion. This right there into the meat. You can put more if you want. Sácame, Cori, un sazón y dos y salsa. You don't have to wait for it to cook. You can put everything in. Dos. Here goes the spinach. You can put as many as you want. I like it. Sí, dame más. Really gives a nice touch to it. Tastes good. The spinach. Okay. Dos. can add pepper if you want to. You can add spices. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more spinach. You can see, just right into there. Smells good. Okay. I put two of this to give a little bit of color. And salsa goja. You can put half a cup of salsa. Taste. That's good. And I'm gonna put the plantain. ¿Ah? ¿Para que aprendas? I'm gonna leave that to cook a little bit, like 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so all the flavor can get all together. We also need eggs. You can add like 8 or 9 or 10, depending on how big you're going to do the pastelón. This is just to make it all stick together. Okay, the egg and the yolk all together. Okay, everything is cooking nicely. We want it to dry a little bit because you see it has a little bit, like a lot of water still. And then if you put it in the oven, when it is done, it's a little bit, you know, has a lot of liquids, and we don't want that. We don't want it to have so much liquids. Okay, so here we have it, and we have 2 pans. We're going to prepare 2 pastelones. Okay, and here we have the egg. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of egg in the bottom of each pan. Okay, so the pastelón can stick in the bottom. Start pour the meat in the pan. The guests are arriving. Okay, so here we have one done, and we're going to prepare the other one. And after that, you just put it in the oven for 25 minutes or so, because everything is just cooked. And it's good to be served. I can tell you this tastes glorious, tastes good, tastes very good. Over here.
Good morning. Hello, how are you?
Okay. And after that is done, just gonna put the rest of the egg on the top. Okay. And then it's just to put it in the oven for 20 or 25 minutes. And there you have you put it in the oven for 25 minutes or maybe less. Okay, you have to shake it continually at 325 degree the oven, and wait for it to cook the egg, and that's about it.
Happy birthday, love you.
Bendiga, bienvenido a mi hogar. Gracias por estar aquí compartiendo con la cumpleañera.
¿Cuántos son?
13 añitos. 13 añitos. Gracias al Señor. This is the final product. Look at it. And it smells delicious. Okay, vamos a dejar ese mismo. There you have it. Pastelón de espinaca. Bon appetit!